Hello friends, this video provides a comprehensive guide to caring Australian hibiscus. Australian hibiscus needs bright indirect sunlight, consistent water and well draining. Hibiscus plant needs at least 6 hours of bright indirect sunlight. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged during the growing season, that is spring and summer. Use well draining potting mix and potting soil. A slightly acidic soil pH is preferred. Use organic fertilizer like banana peel, onion peel, etc. Supplement with a liquid fertilizer like balanced NPK. Regular pruning helps shape the plant, encourage new growth and enhance flowering. Use soap and neem oil to control insects. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant, helps retain moisture. Temperature: hibiscus thrives in temperature between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Hibiscus prefer high humidity.